This is an example of one of the training videos in our FileMaker Certification Preparation course at productivecomputinguniversity.com. This lesson covers the exporting and saving features of data integration. This is a good time for a flashcard as well as a pop quiz to pause the video and see how much you can fill in before we demonstrate. For the export and save feature, we're going to go up to the menu and let's do the save first. We have Excel, PDF, and snapshot link. For export, we have several other options here. We actually have 8 options, and these are not in any specific order other than this top one is generally considered the most popular or default to be used. I've entered them here and put the exporting ones in alphabetical order, so you may want to put this information on the back of your flashcard. If you have difficulty in understanding the difference between exporting and saving, I think of exporting as data only, basically, and saving, you get data plus viewing, especially with the PDF and the snapshot link. The only one that's similar in the two lists is Excel, but there's still some differences between them. Let's compare the exporting and saving features with Excel. This may also make a good flashcard. You may want to pause and quiz yourself. First, we'll do the save portion. So we'll just click Save Excel and we can put in any title we want. Tags, location, records being browsed, or current record. We have options also of choosing additional file information, as well as automatically open or create an attachment. So that's saved to our desktop. Now let's use the export feature. We still have all the same options here as well as this type, but we're missing the options button that was right here. But when we click save, those options show up here that we had in the save option. When we click continue, we can see we've got these two fields on the current layout, which are right here. So we know we want those, but we also have the option of the current table or even a related table. So we'll just add one of those fields over there also and click export. Now let's compare them side by side. With the save option, we only got those two fields that were on the layout. With the export option, we got those two fields in a different order, which is interesting. And then we also got the one we added. That demonstration showed that the save version is only going to do the fields on the current layout and only on the top panel control, while the export option you can customize to choose any field. Let's test the last 3 categories. This time we'll choose a different panel, which I have a repeating field, a popover, and maybe another surprise. So we'll go right up to Save Records as Excel. There's that options button from before. And let's also do the export. It's listing 3 fields here, but I'm only seeing 2. And we do have the option to choose any other field from this table or a related table. So we'll just choose text 1 and click export. And right away, we have an additional warning. This export type does not support repeating fields. Only the first item from each repeating field will be exported. So let's see how those two files compare. The first thing you may notice is that the order of the field export is different, but you can still see there's some similarities here. But we have this text 2, this customer is annoying, in both of them, but that is not on our list here. And the repeating field in the save version actually got all of the values, but in the export, it only got the first one. And export was able to pull up this text block, which is actually inside the popover, but did not show up in the save. But this text 2 is actually a hidden field. I just put a hide object when 1, and it's right there. If I take the hide object out and save that, now you can see that the field is actually there. So the save portion exported hidden fields, which can be good or bad. So we can complete our flashcard with this information. So while they are similar in process, there are some differences between the two. That's it for exporting and saving with Excel. In the next lesson, we'll talk about saving as a PDF. I hope you enjoyed this sample from our FileMaker Certification Preparation course. Visit productivecomputinguniversity.com for more information about the Certification Preparation course and other training to help you save time as a FileMaker developer.